Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all doing well, and also I hope your preparation is also going well. You might not know, but I make videos every week regarding my preparation of CSA and life sciences. And also I share my journey regarding this preparation. Today this video is mainly based on this book which I brought online, which says Mind Maps with quick revision notes. The author of this book is Neha Taneja. You can see here. This book is by Neha Taneja, who is an well-known educator from an academy. Most of you might have known her. She's an educator from an academy. I'm following her since last 1 year, so I know she's a very good educator, and I knew that her content is very good. So I thought after she released her book, I thought compulsory I will surely try a shot or give a try of her book. So I ordered that book from Amazon. It is available in Amazon. If you want, you can just go to Amazon website and you can search in the search panel Mind Maps by Neha Taneja. You will get this book, like it is just 200 or 250 like that of price. It's a very good book. It says like useful for all competitive exams like CSIR, NET, SET, GATE, Excel, DBT, JRF, ICMR, etc. It's a very beautiful small yellow book. It mainly comprises of flowcharts and diagrams of most important topics from the syllabus of CSIR NET, mainly the most common syllabus of all the life science stream examination. It consisting of most important topics, and these are represented in the form of flowcharts, I can say, and diagrams. This book is mainly I read this book, like I can say that it's a very good book. It's mainly useful for at the time of revision time. That means you need not to take effort and take time to make flowcharts. Sometimes we might make our flowcharts and diagrams, but they are not as effective, and also as they are not as structural uh, for us for cracking the exam. So I thought why have to waste time and effort for making a flowchart. Instead I can go through this book. And also topics are not only given in like flowcharts and diagrams. There is also some theory part, which that means the topic is cut it down into crisp very important points. Some of the topic the font is very little. The font size is very small, but it's okay. We can adjust. So I think it's a great book. You can go for it.